Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work for this pattern. What you have to do for this pattern, we need to have multiple of 11 plus 4 stitches. What we have to do, you can use any kind of rib or edge as a start, but the pattern is going to be a start like that. I'm going to pull 3, the first one as an edge, then pull 2 for separation, and then after that we need to knit 9 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then pull again 2 stitches as an edge and the last one as a for the separation, and the last one as an edge. This is row 1. Row 2, what we have to do, we are going to knit these 2 stitches. When it comes to that stitch, we are going to pull 3. 1, 2, and 3. For the next 6 stitches, we are going to do the increasing. It means that grab the yarn like that, 1, 2, and keep continue for the 6 stitches. Then it comes to separation, just knit 2 and the last stitch. Now we are in row 3. We pull these 2 stitches. Now it's time to grab the stitches like this. Now we have 6 loops here. We are going to take these 3 on the in front and just change it with these 3 at the back like that. Then it's time to knit all stitches. First we are going to knit 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Right. Then when it comes to the next 3 stitches, we are going to just knit them, then separation, and the edge stitch. Right. Now we are in row 4. We knit these 2. What we have to do, because as you can see here in the pattern should be changed. What we have to do, we are going to this time start by increasing the first 6 stitches. It means that just insert the hook, grab the yarn one more time. We're going to do the first 6 stitches. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have left only 3 stitches. So we are going to pull normal these 3 stitches. Then knit 2 and the edge. We are in row 5. When it comes to that one, just we are going to knit the first 3 stitches like that. Now we are going to just take these 3 stitches. What we have to do here, we are going to change the position. We have to take them back again in this needle. Now it's time to take these 3 and bring it in front. So I'm going to change it with these 3 here. Now it's time to knit all stitches. 1, 2nd one, and the 3rd. Like that, and then the separation. When you go to the row 6, what we have to do, we are going to repeat row 2. It means that we are going to pull the first 3, then increase the next 6 stitches. If you repeat row 2 to row 6, you are going to have the pattern, and keep continue until you reach your desired length. Let me do this row also for you again. Take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to take these 3 and change it with the other 3 like that, and start by knit all stitches. The next 3 just knit. Again, next row is time to start by increase the first 6, and then the next 3 just knit. No. If you repeat row 2 to row 6, after a few rows your pattern should looks like that. This is front side and this is the back side of the work. That's all. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.